Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today, I think you saw last time, I got the royal egg from Mal. I am super excited. She was saving this up for me. I am really happy. And sorry there's a bad thing. Yeah. Let me go get my $50 back. Remove. No. Retrieve budget? Yeah, retrieve budget. I think I'm trying to update this house because it's too small. No offense to me or adopt me. Yeah, but you saw that royal egg that was from Mal. So I'm gonna see what the royal egg unhatches. So I always wanted a flyable, rideable unicorn. If you guys have that, then comment down below and I will trade it for something, I guess. I am not that good. You can see from here, you guys can choose which one you want, except for this one. This one I got from my friend. I don't want it. Okay? But right now I'm just going to take it out and walk around. And actually, what should we name it, guys? I'll leave it for the next video, and make sure you comment down below which one you want its name to be. I'm just gonna leave it for royal egg for today, but tomorrow I won't. So you guys better be spamming in the chat names or like egg names, I don't know. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, we made it. We made it to the place in my car. So let's get out of the car and unhatch this little guy. And since this guy is not as mean as every single pet, and it doesn't want anything yet, I will come back in the video when he actually unhatches and actually wants something. So every single time I'm going to be showing you what he wants. So yeah, see you guys there. Okay guys, this guy actually wants something now. He wants to go camping and then he wants to go to sleep. So I think that will work out because there is a sleeping place over there. Yeah, I'll go navigate to the, so yeah, guys, see you there. Okay, guys, that's kind of weird, but right now, do you see that camping thing? I'm gonna go reset her. I'm gonna take out my car, go on pets, and reset her so she's not in the car anymore. Who's sleeping in here? Sorry, that's my mistake. Okay. But let's get somewhere that's really special. How about this orange little place, okay? Her camping is almost done. Come on, let's watch it. Oh my gosh. She actually now finished camping. So now she can go to sleep. No, I don't want to go. I forgot to press the royal egg. Okay, let's wait until she's done. Nom, 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 nom. This is really good. Yeah, I want to eat it. Yum. Oh, wait. She's done. Pick up. She's done hatching. It's quite fast for an egg. If I get an uncommon, I'll rage quit. Okay, guys, seriously. Okay, now she's hungry. Let's go to that pizza place. Because she deserves pizza. And she also needs a shower. I have no idea where she needs to take a shower. Okay, but whatever. I'm gonna go reset to my place first. So yeah, guys, see you there. Okay, this is my Jigama thingy, and it's Tuggo. Let me edit it over here so my little girl can go out Oh my gosh. This is so hard to do. And, let's do it like this. Yay. Problem solved? Yes. Alright, let me get her out of this place. Pick up. She wants to go to the pool. So I guess we're gonna have to go there while... Actually, let's go to the pool first because I do not want her to be sick. That happens a lot to me, so see you there, guys. Okay, guys, we made it. Let's take a swim. I hope that little egg... No. I worked so hard. Oh my gosh, if this girl trying to take my royal egg, I'll get so mad. I feel bad at the same time. Oh, sorry. But I worked way too hard. Seriously, guys. Well, I didn't. Well, Mal did. Credit to you, okay? So, it's gonna take a while to go home to the shop, so I'll go meet you there, guys. By the way, guys, this thingamajig, this royal egg, did not take that long. Right, for $1. Okay, let me add some of this, some cheese, and no pepperoni, no thank you. Some, I guess, peppers. And that's bacon. You're gonna be full in no time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give me the pizza. Okay. Let me feed you. Go eat. My darling, eat. Yay. Okay. I guess she's really close, so I'm just gonna wait until she actually wants something. So I'm just gonna go home and chill. Okay, guys, I'm home. Yes, I knew she was gonna ask to go to sleep, but I do not have a crib. Oh no. Well, she can, I guess, sleep in the school because there's beds there. Kind of awkward, but see you guys there. Actually, I think the nursery is better. So let's hop out of our car and go inside the nursery. The nursery where babies and pets are formed. No, the cribs are here. Does it make sense that the cribs are over there that pets could sleep in? Only babies and pets. Oh, I thought my egg couldn't sleep for a second. I was about to... Never mind. Let's wait until he hatches. Come on. Is he? Okay. Guys. Really? Are you serious, guys? All that money for an uncommon Fenny Fox. I am so disappointed right now. I had high hopes for you, Fenny Fox. I had high hopes for you. But you disappoint me like I'm trash. Wow. Guys. Oh, you want to go to school? Go to school by yourself. Oh my gosh. I said in the beginning of this video, if I got an uncommon pet, I will scream. And guess what I got? An uncommon pet. You know what? I'm going to actually go and dress up, show my pet, name this thing poop. And guys, you know what? Since I don't want this, I'll do a giveaway, a small giveaway, okay? Whoever says sub to Evie, whoever actually says that, I'll pin it and I'll give the person this. You can rename it if you want to, but I'm giving you this because I don't want it anymore. But yeah, guys, make sure you like and subscribe for more.